Hi everybody. I wanted to show you another online game that I really enjoy. It's from the Greg Tang math site. And if you're on the homepage for Greg Tang Math, it looks a lot like this with a selection of games. The game I'm going to show you today is Kakuma, and I will put a link on our website that goes straight to this game. So you can always do some practice rounds if you choose, but I'm going to just show you right here. So you can select whether you want to do addition or multiplication. I'm going to choose addition. And the object of this game is to solve the puzzle before the sun sets. So you'll notice there is a sun. And just like you learned in science, it is going to follow its arc all the way over. Each one of these grids has some numbers in it. This is level 1, so it's giving me some hints right away. What I'm looking for is which number within each section of this grid is the sum of the other two. So 6 is the sum of 2 plus 4, so I'm going to click on 6. 10 is the sum of 9 plus 1, so I'm going to click on 10. 4 is the sum of 3 plus 1. And 12 is the sum of 10 plus 2. Here I want to find which number is the sum of two other numbers. So here we are, 10. I'm wondering if round 2 it's going to take away numbers. That's not what it has done in the past. So I'm going to show you level 2 now. I think level 2 does not take away the numbers. So you can see as you go up in the levels, the grids become more complicated. So I'm going to look around in here. I want to find one number that is the sum of two others. So I see 5 is the sum of 1 and 4. So I'm going to click on 5. Now I'm looking in this grid. I want to find a number that's the sum of two others. And I've honed in on 8 because I know that 8 is 3 plus 5. And here I see 12 plus 1 is 13. I'm going to look here, and what I'm doing in my head is I am just very quickly adding combinations of numbers and looking to see if the sum is there. So I don't see a 12, I don't see, I do see an 11. There we go. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Now I'm left with one more. I need to find which is the sum of two of the others. So I see that 8 plus 5 is 13, so I'm going to click on 13. Here I go again. So this feature of taking away the options is new. This has not been a part of my experience before. So 18 plus 2 is 20. You can go in any order you want. So if you get stumped on one of these, you can move to another. 4 plus 2 is 6. On this one, I see that 7 plus 4 is 11. Now I'm looking on this one. Let's see. Can you find it before me? There it is. 2 plus 3 is 5. And 12 plus 6 is 18. Now I'm left with one more puzzle. 5 plus 6 is 11. And you can continue going. Let me show you what it looks like when you get up to level 4. So it gets more complicated. I'm hoping it won't take any options away. I like a good challenge. There they go. Let's see. So I know that 10 plus 8 is 18. And I'm looking on here. Ooh, that sun is moving fast. I've got to go quick. 15 plus 2 is 17. Can you find the sum in here? 17 plus 5 is 22. Let's see. Sometimes I start by adding the smallest numbers and see if that helps. 2 plus 3 is 5. No. 2 plus 7 is 9. There we go. And let's see, we've got, my sun is setting. I've got to go fast. 15 plus 8 is 24. And I've got, let's see, 13 here. So now I want to find the sum. Let's see, 22, 9 plus 13 is 22. I made it just in time. So play around with this game. It's a lot of fun.